And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. Your time is 6:44. Now, when you step outside, you're going to notice that it is very warm and humid. So we're taking a look at your temperatures to get your forecast going. 73 degrees for you in Roma Creek and Sebastian. Far, you're checking in at 78. And good morning to you in South Point. 76 degrees as you step outside, and it'll feel extra sticky out there just because our dew point values are still rather high in the low 70s, so you will notice the stickiness in the air, especially with hardly any breeze out there. Now, the First Warn 5 satellite shows that there's some clouds overhead, but those clouds will actually thicken up as the day goes on. Not much rain activity in the valley, but there is a few showers and thunderstorms to the south. So if you look south, you may see some lightning over in the distance, but that's not here just yet. Now, we are anticipating showers and thunderstorms, so let's take a look at when it could happen. Using the future track model, we start the clock at 6, and for the first half of the day, it's relatively quiet, but those clouds are going to increase. Now, just after 11, going into the noon and 1 o'clock hours, when we could see some showers and thunderstorms pop up along that sea breeze front and with daytime heating. So just keep in mind that with any passing shower or thunderstorm that develops today, it's not going to be severe, but there is that potential for some heavy rain at times. So you could get anywhere from a quarter up to an inch of rainfall today. And now a lot of this activity will start to simmer down by about 5, 6, 7 o'clock. So we can't rule out an early evening shower, and then overnight will be relatively quiet. High temperatures today will stay in the upper 80s courtesy of the cloud cover and the rain. So we'll be closer to 89 degrees in Rio Grande City and McAllen, 88 in Edinburg as well as Weslaco, 87 down that I-6090 corridor from Raymondville into Harlingen all the way south into Brownsville, and 84 today on the island. So not a bad setup, just a few degrees below the average of 93 for this time of year. We'll give you a 50% chance for showers and thunderstorms today, bumping that down to about 40% or maybe even less than that for tomorrow, and then by Friday only a 20% chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Looking at the tropics real quick, we are tracking just a little bit of activity in the Pacific. So right now the Atlantic and the Gulf is quiet. We begin hurricane season tomorrow, so that's something that we're counting down to. But here's a look at that area. Low pressure just situated south of Acapulco this morning. About a 70 to 80% chance that this could develop into a tropical depression later on today or tomorrow as it makes its track northward going toward the southern coast of Mexico. It will bring a lot of rain to Mexico, but at this time, no impacts to the valley. But you still need to be hurricane ready, and you can do that by attending our Hurricane Ready Expo. We'll be out there programming your weather radios if you have one. You can also come out there and get a lot of very helpful information, and it's at the South Texas College Mid-Valley campus in Weslaco Saturday from 10 to 3, completely free. And for more information, go to rgbhurricane.com. Along our coast today, no advisories are expected, but spotty thunderstorms are possible. A northeast wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Your First Warn 5 7-day forecast will stay in the upper 80s today. Tomorrow, Friday, we bump up the heat a little bit as we taper off your rain chances. So we'll be at 92, 94, and 95 as we head into next week and this weekend. It looks like we'll have a few showers and thunderstorms Sunday going into Monday with your rain chances at about 30% or so. But you know, the heat will continue and we'll kind of dry out the forecast in the middle of next week. Overnight lows will stay in the mid to lower 70s for the next 7 nights. And that's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.